Augmented reality and virtual reality. Although the term augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) are taken together here, there is a distinct difference between the two. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is the blending of virtual reality and real life. AR is using technology to superimpose information such as sounds, images, and text on the real world that we can see. Images are created by developers within applications that blend in with content in the real world. AR users can interact with virtual content in the real world and can also distinguish between virtual and real content. AR is not a new technology. It was used in the display panels of fighter aircraft in the 1990s. The panel displayed information about the altitude, direction, and speed of the aircraft. A few years later, the panels displayed the target objects. In 2009, Massachusetts Institute of Technologies developed Sixth Sense. It is a small device that is worn like a pendant and combines the use of a camera, small projector, smartphone, and mirror. The projector and the camera are connected to the mobile device in the user's pocket. The projector projects the visual information on physical surfaces such as walls and other objects. The camera recognizes and tracks the user's hand gestures with the help of computer vision techniques. Google Glass, created in 2013, is an example of wearable AR interface. It helps the user to remain focused on the work. It displays on the user's glass screen through a small projector. It responds to voice commands to activate an application anytime. AR enters the lives of most people through phones and tablets. Beater Technologies' StarWalk app lets a user point their phone or tablet camera at the sky and see the names of stars and planets superimposed on the image. One more app called Layer uses the GPS location of the smartphone and the camera to collect information about the user's surroundings. The app then shows information about the nearby restaurants, stores, and places of interest. Disney Research developed a coloring book with AR. After the user colors in a character in the book, he or she launches the app on the device. The app uses the camera to detect the character that was colored. The app also uses AR to recreate the character in a 3D form on the screen. Virtual reality. In virtual reality, we create a virtual world that users can interact with. In this world, the user cannot easily distinguish between what is real and what is virtual. In both VR or AR, people must wear HMD, head-mounted displays, or a VR headset like Oculus Rift or the Google Cardboard. The headset has two small video display screens, one for each eye. This creates the sense of three-dimension. You can also wear headphones and gloves to experience VR and AR. The headphones play stereophonic sound or even 3D sound so that it feels that you are hearing sounds not only near the ears but also in various places all around you. The gloves have sensors to collect data about your hand movements. This equipment and the software give you interactive sensory feelings similar to real-world experiences. Both AR and VR provide a total immersive experience to the user. These technologies find the greatest use in entertainment, sports, or gaming, close interactive eye-to-eye communication, and aided shopping experiences. Imagine sitting at home and browsing through a store in London where you can see and feel the merchandise you wish to buy. This technology is also used in education. Imagine being a live participant in a historical battle or a student of anatomy in medical school. You can really feel the battle or touch the organs. We must remember that the journey of VR started in the 90s with the Nintendo Boy, but it really did not catch on. Now the case seems different as the means of experiencing AR or VR has become less expensive. Also, there is a lot more on offer and we are all connected all the time, at least via our smartphones. VR simulator devices represent the behavior of physical or abstract systems. VR simulation technology is used a lot in training. They are used to train bus drivers and pilots. Surgeons can develop their surgical skills through simulation on digital patients. Architects can create a walkthrough model of their projects. VR therapy is used to treat autistic children and